Has Bitcoin reversed, heading back up to this ascending channel, potentially leading back to $50,000? So in this video, we're gonna cover today's price action and potentially what's gonna happen in the next few weeks. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. So today price move was pretty wild because we broke this bear flag formation right here, where we were pretty much trading sideways for a few days, and then it broke down, and then again it broke down this channel right here, having a low of around 38,500. Then a few hours later, immediately went back into this bear flag formation, right? And in this territory, and literally liquidated all the shorts that were open up in this territory immediately after it broke this bear flag formation. Okay, so right now the current price is around 40,800, and I mean, it's very, at the moment, the volatility of Bitcoin is it's pretty wild. And what I believe happening is that I expect a lot of sideways movements for a while, and then potentially retesting again this zone. But I do believe that if we get another support level, so if this area is going to get supported again as it did here, right? Because what you can see here is there's a lot of buying pressure, and as soon as it dips below 40,000, it regained 38,000 territories, immediately there is a bunch of buying orders taking over the sales, right? So I do believe that if we get a second confirmation here, we could potentially regain this territory in this ascending channel. And if we get again control of this territory right here, we could definitely lead back up to $50,000. But the entire price action, especially in the weekly chart, is still very, very bearish, right? So if you take a look at the weekly chart right here, you can definitely see that we're still in a downtrend. Okay, we're not definitely in a bullish territory at all, right? As soon as we broke from this ascending channel, we definitely have this downtrend that could continue and could break this channel right here between 40,000 and 38, leading down to 34 and potentially leading down to $29,000, right? But if we regain this territory, there is a potential of the continuation of the bull market. But at the moment, I do not foresee any big price action, at least for the next few weeks. But again, anything is possible. This is crypto, as you can see. I was truly believing that we're definitely heading down to $37,000 by the end of today. Definitely did not happen. I had a short open, and then I got stopped out at break even, and now we're playing in this territory. Definitely, we have witnessed there's definitely a lot of buying support in this area, right? It immediately went back up, and we are again into this formation here of this bear flag. And if we break down above, and then again we regain traction in this ascending channel, there is still an opportunity for us to move on the upside. Okay, again, this is not financial advice. This is my personal opinion. Do not invest capital that you cannot afford to lose, because investing in cryptocurrencies is a very risky move. Okay, so Just one thing that also I want you to pay attention to is that be very cautious of any movements, right? Like wait, have some confirmation, and then enter the market, because it's super at the moment, like there's a lot of indecision in the market, a lot of things are happening around the world. So there's definitely a lot of indecision. And if we take a look, right, at what happened back in 2018, definitely we had kind of a similar situation, right, where we went down for a bit, then we went up again, then we were kind of like trading sideways, but also we always had higher lows, right? So this is 2018. Where is it? This is 2018. So as you can see right here, even in 2018, right, we were broken down, and then we were going back up, trading down. But overall, on an overall level, it was definitely leading down, even though we had this little burst of upside move. But you can see that the trend was definitely moving on the downside, right? And the same thing that can happen again here. Okay, again, it's definitely a different environment. There's a lot of people that are more aware about crypto. Definitely, I personally see all the ads on Instagram and Facebook about Binance, Gemini, all these big crypto exchanges. They're really spending millions of dollars per day in advertising to actually get crypto mainstream. So again, anything can happen, but we always have to be prepared in whatever direction the price of Bitcoin and the entire market is moving. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. This was just a little price action for today and a review of the potential scenarios that can play out with Bitcoin. And if you liked the video, please leave a comment below and tell me where Bitcoin is potentially headed in the next weeks ahead. So if you like the content, again, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next.